Exercise number 2.1. What is the question? In figure 6.17, 1, 2, DE is parallel to DC. DE is parallel to BC. Find EC in 1 and AD in 2. Look here. The diagram is like this. क्या तरह नोडबल्ले? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Applying BPT theorem. Question number 1. First question, in which first part, applying basic proportionality theorem. Correct? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. What is AD value? 1.5. DB 3 centimeter. AE 1 centimeter. EC as it is. Correct? Cross multiply. After cross multiplying, what you get? 1.5 EC is equal to 3 ones are 3 into 1.5. It will become divide. EC is equal to 3 divided by 1.5. 1.5 ones are 1.5 twos are 3. Correct? Therefore, EC is equal to 2 centimeter. This is the first solution. What is the second question here? Second question. AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Correct? Applying BPT theorem. AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Then what is AD value here? AD don't know. AD as it is. DB 7.2 is equal to AE 1.8 divided by EC 5.4. Solve it. Okay. Look here. After point there is only single number. After point there is also single number. That means point gets cancelled. 18 ones are 18 threes are. Then AD divided by 7.2 is equal to 1 divided by 3. Cross multiplying. AD is equal to division 7.2. It will become multiplication. Okay, 7.2 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 3 fours are 12. 1 bindu. What is the answer? AD is equal to 2.4 centimeter. Next question. What is the next question here? E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. For each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. We need to state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. Look here. If you want to say EF is parallel to QR, EF, where is EF? Diagram. Okay, let us consider one diagram. In triangle PQR, let us consider triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, which is parallel to which? EF is parallel to? Okay. In triangle PQR, EF is parallel to QR. Whether it is parallel or not, we need to find out. Correct? What they have given? PE is equal to, where is PE? PE is equal to how much? 3.9 centimeter. Then EQ is equal to 3 centimeter. Then PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter. FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. By BPT theorem, how can you write? with the help of BPT theorem. By BPT theorem, PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Correct? PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. What is PE value? 3.9. EQ, PF, FR. Correct? Point single number, point single number, point gets cancelled. 12 threes are 36. Correct? 12 twos are 24. 3 ones are 3 threes are 1.3 divided by 1 is equal to 3 divided by 2. Correct? 1.3 is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to what? 1.5. 3 by 2, 1.5. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. That means what? EF is not parallel to QR. EF is not parallel to QR. ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You have to check for everything. I have checked for only first thing. What is the first thing? P is equal to 3.9, EQ is equal to 3, PF is equal to 3.6, FR is equal to 2.4. Let us consider the BPT theorem, apply it and check it whether they are equal or not. If they are equal, then write it as they are parallel. EF is parallel to QR. If they are not equal, then write it as EF is not parallel to QR. Very important question. The question is, in the given figure, we need to prove that what is equal to what? AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. And what they have given here? What are the given things? Given LM parallel CB and LN parallel CD. This is the given. What we need to prove? To prove AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. Understood? Okay. To prove. Then proof. Correct? Let us consider left hand part. What is the left hand part? AM divided by AB. Where is AM? AM divided by AB. Correct? In triangle ABC. Yes or no? AM AB कहाँ पे हैं? AM divided by AB. AM AB. They are in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC. Which is parallel to which? L parallel to BC. LM parallel to CB ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ML parallel to BC. ML parallel to BC. Yes or no? ಇದೇ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ? Left hand side. What is left hand side? AM divided by AB. AM, AB, they are in the triangle ABC. For that purpose only I took what? Triangle ABC. Understood? Applying BPT theorem. What is BPT theorem? If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it will cut the other two sides in two distinct points, such a way that their ratio is equal. That means AM divided by MB is equal to AL divided by LC. Correct? AL divided by LC is equal to AL by LC is equal to AM by MB. AM by MB. Equation number 1. Understood? Just consider left hand side. Okay, left hand side we are having AMAB. AMAB, they are lying on ABC. That is triangle. Consider triangle ABC. In the triangle ABC, ML is parallel to BC. Applying BPT theorem. AM divided by MB is equal to AL divided by LC. Same right hand side to prove. What is the right hand side? AN divided by AD. AN, AD. Both are in triangle ADC. Let us consider in triangle ADC, which is parallel to which? NL is parallel to DC. NL is parallel to DC. Applying basic proportionality theorem. Okay. AN divided by ND, correct? AN divided by ND is equal to AL divided by LC, correct? AL by LC is equal to AN by ND. Okay. AL divided by LC is equal to AN divided by ND. Equation number 2. From equation number 1, equation number 2. What are the left hand sides? AL, LC. AL, LC. That means right hand sides are equal. Okay. What are the right hand things here? What are the right hand things? AM divided by AM divided by MB is equal to AN divided by ND. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. But what we need to prove here? What we need to prove, ma? AM divided by AB. AM is there, correct? Any answer but then to prove AM by AB, MB bante na. AM divided by AB, but we are having what? MB. In to prove thing, we are having AB. We got MB. Where is MB? MB is here. To convert MB into AB, what we need to add? AM. To convert MB into AB, MB को AB करना बोले तो क्या ऐड करना? AM ऐड करना. Understood? Correct? To add like that, you need to reciprocate it and add 1. Reciprocating equation number 3. Reciprocating. Okay. Reciprocal of equation number 3. What is reciprocal? MB divided by AM is equal to ND divided by AN. क्या reciprocate मारते now? Because we need AB, but we are having what? MB. To convert MB into AB, you need to reciprocate and add 1 to both sides. Understood? Add 1 to both sides. After adding 1 to both sides, what you will get? MB divided by AM plus 1 is equal to ND divided by AN plus 1. 1 divided by cross multiplying. Look here. MB plus AM into 1. AM divided by AM into 1. AM is equal to ND plus AN into 1. AN divided by AN into 1. AN. What is MB plus AM? What is MB plus AM? Look here. MB plus AM. MB plus AM. What is the answer? AD. Next, ND plus AN. AD. MB plus AM is AB divided by AM. ND plus AN is AD divided by AN. Now go for the to prove thing. What is true thing here? AM divided by AB. What we got here? AB divided by AM. That means again reciprocated. Correct? Again taking reciprocal. Again taking reciprocal. Okay. AM divided by AB is equal to AN divided by AD. Hence, understood? अर्थ ಆಗ್ತದ? हाँ? Okay. Right. Important question. Fourth question. The question is, in the figure they have given that DE is parallel to AC. Where is DE? DE is parallel to AC, and also DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. DF parallel AE. DE parallel AC. Then what we need to prove here? What we need to prove? We need to prove that BF divided by FE is equal to BE divided by EC. BE by EC. This is what we need to prove. We know BPT theorem. Correct? In the BPT theorem, there will be one triangle. There will be one line which is parallel to any one side of the triangle. Let us consider the LHS of to prove thing. What is the LHS here? BF divided by FE. Where are those? BF divided by FE. In the triangle? In the triangle BEA. BF divided by FE. In the triangle BEA. Let us consider triangle BEA or ABE in triangle. Proof. Look here. Proof in triangle ABE. Which side is parallel to which, or which line is parallel to which side? In triangle ABE. Look here, ABE. ABE. Which is parallel to which? DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. DF is parallel to AE. We can apply BPT theorem. Applying basic proportionality theorem to triangle ABE. Apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. BF divided by FE is equal to BD divided by DA or AD. ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. BF divided by FE is equal to BD divided by DA. BF divided by FE is equal to BD divided by DA. Equation number 1. Correct? now ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? to prove thing left side देखे हम लेफ्ट साइड के अंदर क्या था, वो कहाँ पे है, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲದ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲದ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ABE. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ BPT ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ of to prove thing. what is right hand side? BE divided by EC. कहाँ है? BE divided by EC in triangle ABC. Let us consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, which is parallel to which? Okay. DE is parallel to AC. DE जो है ना AC को पैरेलल है. What we need to apply? Applying basic proportionality theorem. Correct? Now what you get? In triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AC. That means what? BE divided by EC. BE divided by EC is equal to BD divided by DA. BD divided by DA. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. Let us consider equation number 1, equation number 2. What is left hand here? BF divided by FE. What is right hand? BD divided by DA. BD by DA. Right hand sides are equal. Therefore, left hand sides are also equal. From equation number 1 and 2, we can say that BF divided by FE is equal to BE divided by EC. Hence, question. In the question they have given that DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Where is DE? DE is parallel to OQ. And DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. This is the given thing. What we need to show or need to prove? EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR. Where is EF? EF parallel to QR. If EF is parallel to QR, by applying BPT, what will you get? PE by EQ equal to PF by FR. If EF is parallel to QR, then what will you get by applying BPT? PE divided by EQ. PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. What we need to prove here? We need to prove either EF is parallel to QR or PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು ಸಾಕು. Understood? Either you have to prove EF is parallel to QR or you have to prove PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Why? Because if EF is parallel to QR, then PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR by BPT theorem. Correct? Okay. To prove, what we need to prove here? This thing, PE divided by EQ or PF divided by FR. Where is PE and EQ? Where is PE and EQ? PE, EQ in triangle POQ. In triangle POQ. Correct? Let us consider triangle POQ. In triangle. In triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, which is parallel to which? Which is parallel to which? DE is parallel to OQ. DE is parallel to OQ. Applying BPT theorem. Applying BPT theorem. What you get here? Look here. PE divided by EQ is equal to PD divided by DO. Correct? Applying BPT theorem. क्या मिलेगा? PE by EQ, PD by DO. PE divided by EQ is equal to PO PD. PD divided by DO. Equation number 1. Correct? क्या देखे हम? लेफ्ट हैंड साइड देखे वो कहाँ पे आता है वो देखे. Next we need to go for the right hand side. What is the right hand side here? PF, FR. Where is PF and FR? In triangle POR. In triangle POR. Which is parallel to which? DF is parallel to OR. DF is parallel to OR. Comma. Applying BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Okay. What do we get here? PF divided by FR is equal to PD divided by DO. PD divided by DO. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, right hand sides are equal. That means left hand sides are equal. From equation number 1 and 2, we can say that PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. By converse of BPT, by converse of BPT, basic proportionality theorem, which is to parallel to which? EF parallel to QR. EF parallel to QR. What is converse of BPT? If sides are in equal ratio, then the line and the third side are parallel. In any triangle, if a line cuts the two sides in equal ratio, then that line is parallel to the third side. This is the converse of BPT. What is BPT? In any triangle, a line is parallel to third side and it will cut the other two sides into distinct points. Then the ratios are in equal. They divide in equal ratios. Correct? That is BPT. What is converse? If the line divides other two sides in equal ratio, then that line is parallel to third side. Which is parallel to third side? EF parallel to QR. Therefore, EF parallel to QR. Hence, true. Sixth question. The question is, they have given that AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. Correct? Then AC is parallel to PR. AC is parallel to PR. What we need to prove here? BC is parallel to QR. In turn, if BC is parallel to QR, then with the help of BPT theorem, we can write it as OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. That what we need to prove. Correct? That is what we need to prove. Next, what is the proof here? Proof. To write the proof, we need to go for the to prove thing. What is the left hand side? OB by BQ. OB by BQ. Where is OB and BQ? OB and BQ. In triangle OQR. OQR alla. They haven't given in OQR BC is parallel to QR. They haven't given. So we must not take this one. We don't know whether BC is parallel to QR. That is what we need to prove here. So what we must not take OQR. ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು ನಾವು. ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದ BC parallel to QR ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. Tell me. In triangle OQP. Correct? POQ. In triangle POQ, which is parallel to which? AB is parallel to PQ. That is the given. Correct? They have given this one only. So we need to take this one, not this one. This is to prove this. To prove it. Idun togobaaru. Idun togobeku. Correct? In triangle OPQ. In triangle OPQ, which is parallel to which? AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ. Applying basic proportionality theorem. Then what we got? OB divided by BQ is equal to OA divided by AP. Equation number 1. Look here. AB parallel PQ. OB divided by BQ equal to OA divided by AP. Correct? Next, consider RHS side. OC divided by CR. Where is OC? OC and CR. In triangle ORQ and also in triangle ORP. What we need to take here? Triangle ORP or OPR. Not triangle OQR. Because they haven't given BC is parallel to QR. Understood? So what we need to take here? OPR. In triangle OPR, which is parallel to which? AC is parallel to PR by applying basic proportionality theorem. Tell me, OC divided by CR is equal to OA divided by AP. OC divided by CR is equal to OA divided by AP. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, RHS are equal. Then LHS, OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. OB divided by BQ is equal to OC divided by CR. That means BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. By converse of BPT theorem. What we can say here, BC is parallel to QR. Hence, seventh question. The question is, look here. What is the question here? Using theorem 6.1, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side. A line drawn through the midpoint of one side that is AB is the side here. One side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. What is the meaning of bisection? Making two equal parts. Correct? Okay. What are the given things here? There is one triangle ABC. Let us consider triangle ABC. Given in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB. Correct? That means what? Therefore, AD divided by DB is equal to 1. Correct? Or you can also write it as, look here, of AB. AB midpoint means what? AD is equal to DB. Equation number 1. Midpoint means middle point. Middle point means AD कितना है उतना ही BD रहता है. DB. Understood? Midpoint को तो middle point. Correct? Middle point. D is the middle point of AB. That means AD equal to DB. This is the given thing. What we need to prove here? AE is equal to EC. ಇದನ್ನು prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು. Correct? This line bisect the third side into two equal parts. This line bisects the third side into two equal parts. Given in triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and DE is the line. And DE is the line parallel to what? Parallel to BC. Correct. This is the given thing. Next, to prove. What we need to prove here? To prove AE is equal to EC. AE is equal to EC. To prove. We know that from midpoint theorem, which is equal to which? AD equal to DB. AD is equal to DB. Correct? Okay? ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮಿಡಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಂತ ತಗೋ, ಅರ್ಧ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ. AD equal to DB ಬರ್ತೀವಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ಕಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಂಟು 1 ಏನು ಫರಕ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ? ಏನು ಫರಕ್? ಇಂಟು 1 ಮಾಡೋದು. AD ಇಂಟು 1 AD is equal to into DB ಕಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? divided by dB is equal to 1. AD by dB is equal to 1. Okay, AD divided by dB is equal to 1. Equation number 2. Already ఉన్నదా ఇది ఇది ಯಾಕೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ AD ದಾಗ ಹೌದಾ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ AD divided by dB ಈಗ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ AD divided by dB is equal to 1. Equation number 2. In triangle ABC, which is parallel to which? DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to EC. Correct? BC. BC. DE is parallel to BC. Applying BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Okay. Applying BPT theorem, what you get? Which divided by which? AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Correct? Apply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Already AD by DB is equal to 1. Correct? AD by DB is equal to 1 is equal to AE divided by EC. From equation number 2. From equation number 2. Division EC to become what? Multiplication. EC into 1 EC is equal to AE. Therefore AE is equal to EC. Hence eighth question, very important question for your annual examination also. Prove that the line joining the midpoints of any two sides. There are two sides, there are two midpoints. Two sides, two midpoints. Let us consider given, or let ABC, triangle ABC is a triangle in which D and E are the midpoints of what? Midpoints of AB and AC respectively. AB and AC respectively. To prove, what we need to prove here? What we need to prove in the question? What we need to prove? Any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Line is parallel to third side. What we need to prove here? Line is parallel to third side. Which is the line here? DE is the line which is parallel to BC. To prove, what we need to prove here? DE is parallel to BC. To prove DE is parallel to BC. Correct? Next, look here. In triangle ABC, D is midpoint of AB. D is midpoint of AB. Proof. Write down the proof. D is midpoint of what? D is midpoint of AB. Therefore, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ನೀನು D is midpoint ಅಂದಾಗ? Midpoint ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿತೀಯಾ? AD is equal to DB, or AD divided by DB is equal to 1. ಬರಿಬಹುದು? Okay. AD divided by DB is equal to 1. Also, E is midpoint of midpoint of AC. Therefore, how can you write? AE divided by EC is equal to 1. Equation number 1, 2. From equation number 1 and 2, what can you write? 1, 2. AD divided by DB is equal to AE divided by EC. Correct? What is this? What is this? By converse of BPC. By converse of BPT. By converse of BPT. Which is parallel to which? DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. Hence, rule. Ninth question. There is a given thing, that is ABCD is a trapezium, and diagonals of this trapezium bisect each other at point O. What we need to prove here? We need to show that AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Correct? There is one trapezium and there are two diagonals which bisect each other at O. Understood? Bisect or intersect each other at O. Okay, what we need to prove? AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. This is what we need to prove. What is the given thing here? Given in trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to DC. This is the given. DC and DB and AC are the diagonals which intersect at point O. They intersect at point O. What we need to prove here? AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. To get that, what we need to take here? Look here. AO and BO. Where are AO? Where is AO? AO is triangle. In triangle A, B, C. AO and BO. These are the half parts of the triangle A, B, D. ABD ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನೈತಿ BO ಅದ. AO ಇಲ್ಲದ ACD ಒಳಗಡೆ AO. In ACD you will get what? AO. In ABD you will get what? BO. CO. In ACD only you will get what? CO. DO. In ABD only you will get what? DO. Correct? So we need to take two triangles. What are those? A, B, D. In triangle ABD we will get what? AO and BO and DO. In triangle ABD. In triangle ACD we will get what? AO and CO. So first of all, what we need to take here? ABD. Proof. In triangle ABD. In triangle ABD. Which line is parallel to which line, or which side is parallel to which line? ABD. Look here. ABD. AB is parallel to EO, or EO is parallel to AB. Correct? EO is parallel to AB. Applying basic proportionality theorem. What you get? AO divided by CO. AO divided by CO is equal to AE divided by DE. ABD triangle ಅದನಾ ACD ಹೋಗಿದ್ನಾ. Applying basic proportionality theorem to the triangle ABD. ABD के अंदर BO divided by DO. BO divided by DO is equal to AE divided by DE. AE divided by DE. Equation number 1. Again, in triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, which is parallel to which? ACD. EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. Then applying basic proportionality theorem. What you get here? Applying basic BPT theorem to the ACD triangle. AO divided by CO. AO divided by CO is equal to AE divided by DE. AE divided by DE. Equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. RHS are equal. Therefore, BO divided by DO is equal to AO divided by CO. AO by CO. But what we need to prove here? AO by BO equal to CO by DO. Correct? Here division B, it will become what? Multiplication. Division B, it will become multiplication, it will become division. Division CO, it will become what? Multiplication. BO numerator thing, it will become in denominator. CO will be in denominator thing, it will become numerator thing. That is CO divided by DO is equal to AO divided by BO. Therefore, you can also write it as AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Hence, proved. 10th question, another 10th question. The question is, in the given quadrilateral ABCD, the diagonals AC and BD intersect each other at O. Correct? Then we need to prove that ABCD is a trapezium given AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. They have given this one. What we need to prove here? We need to prove this is a trapezium. If any quadrilateral is trapezium, their opposite side must be parallel, not equal, parallel. So what we need to prove here? What we need to prove? AB is parallel to BC. Ashtu prove madbitre mugudaitu. Correct? If opposite sides are parallel, then the given quadrilateral is trapezium. Correct? Okay, given, what is given? ABCD is a quadrilateral in which diagonals AC and BD intersect at point O. Given AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. To prove or to show, what we need to prove? ABCD is a trapezium. Correct? Okay. Construction. EO is parallel to AB. Okay. Next, consider the triangle. Proof. Consider the triangle. Which triangle? Triangle ABD. Consider triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, which is parallel to which? EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. That means applying basic proportionality theorem. ओके, अप्लाई करो. क्या मिलेगा आपको? एबीडी ट्रायंगल देखो, अप्लाई करो. एबीडी ट्रायंगल, हाँ, डीओ डिवाइडेड बाय बीओ इज इक्वल टू, ओके, ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ, बीओ डिवाइडेड बाय डीओ इज इक्वल टू एई डिवाइडेड बाय डीई. बीओ डिवाइडेड बाय डीओ इज इक्वल टू AE divided by DE. Equation number 1. Okay. From given thing. What is the given thing here? From given thing, AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Correct? Yes or no? This is the given thing. Look here, given thing. AB divided by AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Correct? ಇದನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ ನಾನು. Division, multiplication CO it will become what? Division. Division BO it will become what? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುವಾಗ AO divided by CO is equal to BO divided by DO. Equation number 2. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಲುಕ್ at BO divided by DO, BO divided by DO. Correct? Yes or no? There is AO divided by CO is equal to BO by DO and AE divided by DE is equal to BO by DO. Therefore, AO by CO is equal to AE by DE. From equation number 1 and 2, BO by DO इधर भी है, BO by DO इधर भी है, ये दोनों निकालो, क्या बचेगा? AO divided by CO is equal to AE divided by DE. Correct? AE divided by DE. Now consider the triangle ACD. Consider triangle ACD. ACD. Correct? In triangle ACD, look at AO by CO. AO divided by CO is equal to AE by DE. AE by DE. Already ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟದ. This is true when EO is parallel to DC. By converse of BPT in triangle, applying converse of BPT to triangle ACD. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ ACD triangle ಗೆ converse of BPT apply ಮಾಡಿ. ACD triangle को converse of BPT apply करो. अंदर already ratios are equal, then the lines are parallel. This is the BPT theorem. Correct? Since the ratios AO by CO is equal to AE by DE, then the lines are parallel. What are the lines? EO is parallel to DC. Correct? EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. By converse of BPT, you can write it as EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. EO is also parallel to AB. EO is also parallel to DC. One line is parallel to two other lines, then the two other lines are parallel to each other. Correct? The things which are equal to the same thing are equal to one another. Correct? The things which are comparing to the same thing are equal to one another. AB is parallel to EO, DC is parallel to EO. EO AB को भी पैरेलल है, EO DC को भी पैरेलल है. Therefore AB is parallel to DC. Therefore now EO is parallel to DC. Also EO parallel to AB. Therefore AB is parallel to DC. Therefore ABCD is a trapezium. Hence proved. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಎರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಏನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಹಿಯರ್? This one is a trapezium. हम वैसा prove करना बोले तो AB must be parallel to DC. Let us consider a line which is EO. EO is parallel to AB. Let us consider EO is parallel to AB. In triangle ABD, apply BPT. Then BO by DO is equal to AE by DE. Equation number 1. From the given thing, you can write it as AO by CO is equal to BO by DO. In equation number 1, you will get BO by DO. Equation number 2, BO by DO. Then AO by CO is equal to AE by DE. AO divided by CO is equal to AE by DE. This is converse of, from the converse of BPT, you can say that EO is parallel to DC. Since EO is parallel to AB, EO is parallel to DC, AB is parallel to DC. One side, one opposite pair is parallel, then this is a parallel, sorry, a trapezium. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದಾ ನನ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ?